I am Sharda Mani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we discussed about impact of the FinTech in global finance. In that, we discussed about the impact. Okay, the in impact, what are the areas we covered is financial assesses, speed and efficiency, cost reduction, global trade and innovations, security and regulations. Okay, and in the main motive of the impacts are inclusion of unpacked population, real-time payments and automations, lower fees and reduce overheads, easierly cross-border transactions, personalized financial products and services, improved data protection and fraud detections. These are the main impact of the fintech services. Let's see what are the impacts are. There are 8 impacts. The first one is enhanced financial inclusion. Then fintech enables people in undeserved and rural areas to access banking, credit and insurance without the need of the physical branches. Like for example, in mobile apps we using the mobile wallet, digital wallets, that is Paytm, M-Pesa and PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. Okay, the result of that is millions of unbanked individuals globally have bought into a formal financial system. Okay, they have a final and formal financial system. In Canada they are using the M-Pesa. In Kenya and India we using the UPI IDs. That's it. Okay, the next one is fintech roles, that is faster and cheaper transactions in real-time payments and peer-to-peer transfers reduce delays and fees in financial transactions. That is Zello in USA. It is an example of faster and cheaper transaction. And SEPA, SEPA. Okay, in Europe it is also it is also an example of the faster and cheaper transaction. In India, UPI. Okay, last the slide itself we discussed. Okay, in that real-time payments and peer-to-peer transaction reduces delays and fees in financial transaction. The result of the faster and cheaper transactions are boosts consumer satisfaction and supports real-time business operations. The third one is distribution of the traditional and banking models. Like these are the cons and these are the pros. Okay, in neobanks and fintech startup challenges, traditional banking with alleged customer focused digital services. For this, examples are relevant and N26, Chime and Monks. The result of this traditional banking model are forced to innovating and improve digital offerings. The next one is growth. Okay, growth in cross-border commerce. In that impact is fintech simplifies the currency exchange and international money transfers, like Vibe, Ripple's Western Union Digitals. It results the facilitate global e-commerce and support migrate works sending remittances. The next one is innovation in investment and wealth management. In that, robo and advisory and AI based platforms allow users to invest globally with small amount of lower fees, like eToro, Robinhood. Okay, and the result of this is domestic investment access for the middle class and the youths. Okay, the next one is automation and AI in financial services, like chatbot. Okay, in HDFC Bank they have chat box. If any query, the customer support will help in HDFC banks. Okay, that use of the AI and machine learning improves credit scoring, fraud detection and customer services in chat boxes. For example, we apply a loan. Okay, they 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 sorry, they check the CIBIL score of the customer. Okay, it calculated by the AI tools only. Okay. The next one is support during economic crisis. In that, direct benefit transfers, it is the best example for support during economic crisis. In COVID-19, fintech enabled contactless payments, remote access to banking, and digital delivery of government aid. The result of the economic crisis during the support, business continuously and social welfare delivering during the lockdowns. In India, the Janadhan account, for example, zero balance account, it is the best example for economic crisis. Okay, the last one is cyber security and regulatory advancement. In that, it enables the contactless payment and providing remote banking access, and it will help to the deliver digital aid and ensure the business consistency and support social welfare, like RBI regulatory sandbox and EU PST regulations. These are the example of cyber security and regulatory advancement. So okay, this is the final input of this. Okay, thank you for watching.